So this is the Bookfinder user test. I I want you to find a book.
Okay, I'm going into Bookfinder and I'm going to do a quick search. I'm going to enter in the name of the author rather than the title of the book, so I'm going to enter in John Grisham. The list comes up with the John Grisham books. I'm going to go for the first one listed, which is King of Torts. The King of Torts, the book comes up, so I have the first chapter of the book starting there. So I'm ready to go.
So you've read your book. If you want to save this book for later reading, how would you do that?
I bookmark it.
Okay. What's the one issue you'd expect to find at this stage?
At this stage, I'd expect that I should possibly be able to sign up, and so that I can get back in on the system again. So I can continue on and sign up, and once I have signed up, then to get back in again, I would actually have to sign in. When I sign in, I can go into my profile and add other books or authors to the profile. Once I have done that, then I can...
Where would you find that book you've bookmarked before you signed in?
I'd find it in the list of books on my profile that would have been bookmarked already. So I'll go into the bookmark section.
And
that's where I actually find it, where I actually have marked it up previously. Then I can add more to that then if I wish.
How can you add more?
Going back in on my profile, and then I just add more to the list.
No, the books the names of the authors that you've added to your profile, where can you, how can they come of use from your profile screen? So you put in the names of authors and you want to, they're obviously saved.
They're saved, yes.
So how can you find the books based on?
By entering in the names of the authors,
Yes,
I can get their list of books that I have added to the system.
There's something you need to do.
I need to search for them. I need to search
So what's that search button do? Considering you've put the names of authors and books and genres in your profile, what would you expect?
I should link the whole lot up together for me and give me the results of the different. It should link the authors and their books together, so that I'm able to go back in on them again.
Okay. But basically, if you go back to quick search, what did you do in quick search?
I just put in the name of the author that I wanted to search, and then a list of books titles came up on his name.
Okay, when you went to your profile and you entered in the names of several authors, what would the result of putting in the names of several authors? What would you want from that?
I would get a list of books that they had actually written for each author, so that gives me a better variety of books and an easier way to find them.
Okay. so that'll do. So that's all. That's what the app does. Any comments on based on navigation? Is navigation easy to follow? Is style, colors accessible?
It's quite easy to follow. The actual look of it is very, very effective, very clear. No, I wouldn't have any problem with it. It's quite simple actually. Once you start, you go on to the next section without any hindrance. It's very easy to follow it.
Okay, that's all.